Hello, Mira. How are you today? Hello, Anna. I am fine. How are you? I am good. It is a nice day today.
Yes, the weather is very pleasant.
Did you go to the market this morning? Yes, I went to the market. I bought vegetables and fruit. What vegetables did you buy? I bought tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and carrots. That is good. Vegetables are healthy. Yes, I like to cook healthy food for my family. What did you cook for lunch today?
I cooked vegetable soup and chicken wrap. I made quinoa salad and avocado toast. Your quinoa salad is always tasty.
Thank you. My children like it very much. My children also like tasty food. Sometimes they ask for snacks. What snacks do they like? They like biscuits, bananas, and sometimes chips. My children like bananas, and biscuits too. Children often like simple snacks. Yes, that is true. What did you do yesterday evening? Yesterday evening, I went for a walk. That is nice. Walking is good for health. Yes, I walk every day for 30 minutes. I want to start walking every day. You should start. It is very good exercise.
Maybe I will go for a walk tomorrow morning. That is a good idea. The morning air is fresh. Yes, mornings are peaceful and quiet. Do you like listening to music? Yes, I like relaxing music. I also like listening to music when I cook. That is nice. Music makes work easier. Do you watch television in the evening? Sometimes I watch television with my family. What programs do you watch? We watch the news and sometimes watch movies. I watch cooking shows. That is interesting. You can learn new recipes. Yes, I learn many new recipes. Maybe you can teach me some recipes. Of course, I will teach you. Thank you, Anna. You are welcome. It is always nice talking to you. Yes, I enjoy our conversations. I must go home now. I have some work to do. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, goodbye.